Oh, I know that sounds silly. Especially when I had such a wonderful home with Daddy.
Hey, Barb. Barb? Hey, you're really uptight. What's bugging you, baby?
My father, what else? Well, it'd all go away the minute I saw Barry again.
What happened?
He found out I gave you my clothes allowance, and he said I couldn't see you again. Ever.
Maybe we gotta cool it for a while, you know, just a little. Well, who needs to get married anyway?
We do. I'm tired of sneaking around. Barry, I'm tired of eating hamburgers. I'm tired of begging for every dime. Tired of being treated like a nothing. Who needs him? He's gonna live another 50 years, you know that? 50 years. That's all our lives. That's how long he could keep us from living. Even if we ran away, Barry. If we ran away, he'd still have all the money. Spend it on his creepy women. Barry said to me once, wouldn't it be great if he lived to be 100 years old? Because, well, Barry loved Daddy too. Almost as much as I did.
Hey, Barb, there must be some way that you can make him give you the money. I mean, some law or something like that.
There isn't. I'm gonna kill him.
Hey, come on now. It's cool, that.
I am. I'm going to. I'm gonna kill him. But I can't do it by myself. Oh, I know that sounds silly. Especially when I had such a wonderful home with Daddy.
Hey, Barb. Barb?